Hello friends, today I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram GIF option not showing. Let's see how to fix it. For solving this problem, first of all, open your settings, scroll down, tap on apps and find Instagram app, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on clear cache, OK to confirm, go back to previous page and enable all permission. Go back, go to Play Store and search here Instagram. Update your Instagram if it available for updates. Then open your Instagram app. Tap here. Tap on note and tap on GIF option and see your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.